Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about control and coordination from chapter 7 class 10 CBSE syllabus. Children, now let us discuss about cerebellum. The cerebellum is the part of the brain of all vertebrates. This brain is the center holding all necessary connections to all the sensory functions the body responds to. It is rightly called the little brain as it is located in the hindbrain below the cerebrum. The average weight of an adult human cerebellum is between 4.8 and 6 ounce, means 136 to 169 grams. The cerebellum is the part of the brain that controls balance and voluntary movements. The cerebrum is the part of the brain which is relatively larger than the cerebellum. The cerebellum medulla oblongata is located in elegant connections to the spinal cord and hence controlling movements. The brain can be considered to be a soft mass of connective tissue which also has nerves connected to the spinal cord that holds and supports the body. The brain controls mainly bodily functions like talking, walking, feeling, seeing, hearing, ability to think, and even controls your breathing as its neural connections are towards other parts of the head as well, like eyes, nose, ears, etc. It is because our brain facilitates the neuron connections we can say sane and hold ourselves up, retain information and build relationships. The cerebellum comes from the Latin word little brain, is a region of brain that plays an important role in motor control. The structure is located at the back of the brain, underlying the occipital and temporal lobes of the cerebral cortex. The cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain, located in the posterior portion of the medulla oblongata and pons. The cerebellum and cerebrum are separated by cerebellar tentorium and transverse fissure. Cortex is the outer surface of the cerebellum and it is parallelly ridges are called the folia. Apart from this, the cerebellum has the cerebellar peduncles, cerebellar nuclei, anterior and posterior lobes. The cerebellum consists of two hemispheres, the outer gray cortex and the inner white medulla. It is mainly responsible for coordinating and maintaining the body balance during walking, running, riding, swimming, and precision control of the voluntary movements. The main functions of the cerebellum includes it sends equilibrium, transfers information, coordinates eye movements, it enables precision control of the voluntary body movements, predicts the future position of the body during particular movement. Both anterior and posterior lobes are connected with the skeletal movements. The cerebellum is also an essential for making fine adjustments to motor actions. Mainly it coordinates and maintains body balance and posture during walking, running, riding, etc. Children will discuss exactly what cerebellum do. Cerebellum, how it works on motor control. The cerebellum controls muscle tone, balance and equilibrium. It also helps with motor learning and comes under cognitive functions. The cerebellum cognitive functions. The cerebellum may also play a role in language processing and memory, pain, and next come to the cerebellum work in pain processing. The cerebellum receives pain input and transfers some of this information to the motor system. This helps the body avoid the pain. Children, now let us discuss what happens when cerebellum is damaged. Damage to cerebellum can make it difficult to stand, walk and keep balance. It can also make it harder to learn new words or skills. It may affect a person's sense of timing or their ability to judge distance. Children, now let us discuss about cerebellar disorders. Cerebellar disorders are conditions that affect the cerebellum, the part of the brain that controls balance, coordination, and motor skills. Symptoms including ataxia, which is a loss of coordination and balance, and tremors. Children, now let us discuss the types of cerebellar disorders. First is ataxia. Ataxia, a loss of coordination and balance that can affect the limbs, posture, and gait. Second, hypotonia. The hypotonia is a reduction in muscle tone that can cause abnormal body positions. Third one is tremorous. Rhythmic oscillations of a limb or at the trunk can increase as you approach a target. Nystagmus. Nystagmus is a disorder involuntary rapid eye movement that can be horizontal, vertical, rotatory. Next one is scanning speech. Scanning speech, slow speech with a tendency to hesitate at the beginning of words or syllables. Next one is gait abnormalities. Abnormalities standing or walking such as swaying, staggering or reeling, etc. Children, now let us discuss the causes of these disorders. Causes of cerebellar disorders are infections such as bacterial, viral, parasitic or post-viral. Treatment for cerebellar disorders are medication, rehabilitations, surgical excision for tumors, immunotherapy and gluten-free diet. Thank you.